Following the introduction of the unique and innovative e-Power powertrain on Qashqai last year, which I tested and videos of the point-of-view drive are on my channel, Nissan has now developed a special version of its iconic third-generation crossover to give it unique appearance and look. Called Qashqai e-Power Black Edition, styling changes have rendered the Qashqai with more road presence. It comes in 3 color combination: an elegant black roof with pearl white or ceramic grey body colors, or grey roof with the black body color. All versions come with black 5-spoke wheels to complete the effect. An extra detail is the inclusion of a kick plate which illuminates Qashqai upon opening the front doors. The intention behind the creation of the Qashqai e-Power Black Edition is to reinforce the Qashqai's design appeal and emotional touch for customers who are attracted by the rational benefits of the e-Power drivetrain. On my channel you can watch the full review and point-of-view test drive of the Nissan Qashqai with the e-Power drivetrain. Tell me in your comments how do you like this special edition model and subscribe for more.